Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a freelancer, digital marketer, content creator, or small business owner who's tired of juggling 10 different tools just to run your business, you are going to love what I'm about to show you. Today, I'm diving deep into a powerful, all-in-one marketing suite that's making serious waves. It's called SmartPal AI, and yes, it's exactly as game-changing as it sounds. Let me paint a quick picture. You are trying to grow your online business. You need a website, landing pages, social media content, email copy, sales videos, SEO articles, product graphics, the list goes on. What happens? You either burn hours trying to do it all yourself or spend a fortune hiring freelancers, buying expensive software, and subscribing to a dozen tools every month. Been there, done that. Not fun. And that's where SmartPal AI comes in. It's a single platform powered by artificial intelligence that helps you build websites, write content, create marketing videos, design stunning graphics, and even automate customer engagement, all in a matter of minutes. And the best part? It's a one-time payment, no monthly fees. Let me quickly break down what you get with SmartPal AI. Number 1, Website and Funnel Builder. Drag and drop simplicity with AI-generated content. No coding needed. Number 2, AI Copywriter. From ads and product descriptions to emails and blog posts, it writes it all. Number 3, Video Maker. Input a few keywords, and it auto-generates professional-looking videos for your brand or clients. Number 4, Graphic Designer. Need logos, banners, social media creatives? Done in seconds. Number 5, SEO and Content Tools. Get keyword-optimized articles and product reviews ready to rank. Number 6, AI Chatbots and Automation. Respond to customers even while you sleep. Seriously, it's like having a full marketing team in your pocket. I've been testing SmartPal AI for the past few weeks, and it's already saved me hours of work. I used it to create an entire landing page, write the copy, generate the video ad, and schedule my email campaign all in one evening. Normally, that would have taken me days and cost me a chunk of my budget. So, if you're like me, someone who values their time and wants to work smarter, not harder, SmartPal is honestly a no-brainer. And here's the kicker: you can grab it right now with a special launch deal using my affiliate link below. It's a one-time payment, no subscriptions, no hidden fees, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you literally have nothing to lose. Click the link in the description to grab it now before the deal expires. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tools and digital hacks, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay creative.